In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing folder pane in Outlook. If your folder pane has disappeared and you can't see inbox, sent items, or other folders, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to bring it back using the Outlook website and the built-in view controls. Follow along exactly, and you'll have your folders visible again in seconds. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. This is the quickest way to get to the official Outlook site if it isn't already open. From the search results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, look toward the top left area of the screen. If the folder list is hidden, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the Hamburger menu. Click that icon to expand the left sidebar. This action toggles the folder pane on or off, so a single click should immediately bring your full folder list back into view. If your pane was just collapsed, it will slide out and you'll see Inbox, Drafts, and the rest of your folders restored. There's another way to make sure the pane is fully shown. Go to the View controls at the top of Outlook. Click View to open the layout options that affect how your mailbox looks. In that menu, find Folder Pane and click it. This is where Outlook manages whether the folder list is normal, minimized, or hidden. Choosing the option that shows the pane will expand it and keep it visible. If you still only see a thin strip or just icons on the left, move your mouse to the far left edge where the folder list should be. Hover your cursor over that edge for a moment. Outlook often shows a temporary flyout when the pane is minimized, so hovering lets you preview the list without pinning it yet. When the flyout appears, look for the option to keep it open. Finally, click Show. That button pins the folder pane in place so it stays expanded, rather than hiding again when you move your mouse away. After you click Show, your folders should remain visible every time you open Outlook, making it easy to switch between Mail, Folders, and Archives. That's it. You opened Outlook, used the 3-line menu to expand the sidebar, then confirmed the layout under View and Folder pane, and, if needed, hovered to reveal the minimized list and clicked Show to pin it. Try these steps in this order whenever the folder pane goes missing, and you'll get your mailbox layout back quickly.